What's up, everyone? Blainer Things here, and I am coming at you with a more phenomenal 5-minute review. So I've got 3 figures from the Power Ranger Lightning Collection Wave 4 by Hasbro, and I am stoked. In addition to a classic fan favorite, they've also given us newly tooled sculpts and accessories with plenty of detail. So I'm going to jump right in to giving a review of each of these individually. First up, we have Cyber Villain Blaze from Beast Morphers. This is an evil clone of the intended Red Ranger before an evil virus put him in a coma. Now, the figure includes everything we've come to expect from the Lightning Collection. We've got swappable character head and helmet, along with interchangeable hands and show-accurate accessories. Now, Beast Morphers is actually the first season of Power Rangers owned by Hasbro. So while with the other characters, the sculpts come from reference, we're actually getting 3D scans of the actor's likeness along with that digital face app that really makes the character pop. I personally think this is probably the best likeness so far. Along with the helmet and an extra set of interchangeable hands, Blaze comes with his sword and the line's signature, quote, lightning accessory, which is a removable soft plastic, and a MorphX portable computer, which Blaze uses to transform everyday objects into evil Robotrons. Classic villain move. The case does open to reveal a virus loading screen, along with beautifully painted details on the inside and out. In addition to all the articulation we've come to love from Hasbro, the Power Rangers also have butterfly shoulders as well as ab, swivel, and crunch for maximum articulation. With all new tooling and accessories along with that 3D scanned character head, Cybervillain Blaze definitely ranks at an A+ for me. Next up, we've got Rocky in his blue Zeo Ranger uniform. Again, completely new tooling. This is an all-new sculpt head to toe. And while the likeness for Rocky might not be spot on, I'm really happy to get this character, 1, because I love Zeo, and 2, because Rocky was the second Mighty Morphin Red, and the head is easily swappable. Accessories include his helmet and interchangeable hands, as well as the Zeo laser pistol and Zeo power pod sword. Say that 5 times fast. Now in the show, the sword would sort of collapse or shrink down to be sheathed, and unfortunately we don't get that minimized sword as an accessory, which I feel is a huge drawback to the Zeo line. We do, however, get that signature lightning accessory that attaches to the edge of his sword, kind of. And while we don't get that sheathed sword or his power tonfas, the pistol and sword Rocky does come with fit perfectly and easily right into the holsters on his belt. Now, while the likeness might seem a little off, I do think the sculpt is there. They might have just missed the mark slightly on the paint application. All in all, there are a few complainer things, but I'm still going to give this figure a B+, and I'm certainly glad to have it in my collection. And saving the best for last, Miss Trini Kwan, the OG Mighty Morphin Yellow Ranger, saber-toothed tiger. Man, Trini's probably my all-time favorite Ranger, and Hasbro has hit it out of the park. For only having reference images, this likeness is spot on, and this figure takes me straight back to 1993 nostalgia. So we've got some reused tooling, as well as the same Blade Blaster that comes with all the Mighty Morphin figures. The Blade Blaster does fit into the holster perfectly, but I really wish we got a bladed version of that. We have her power daggers, which fit beautifully into her interchangeable hands, as well as that signature lightning accessory. We have 2 for this figure, 1 for each blade. They do fit on really nicely and easily. And if you look closely on the bottom of those daggers, you'll notice that there is an empty peg, which I'm hoping plays into a buildable power blaster once the Mighty Morphin team is complete. Trini also comes with 2 interchangeable claw hands, as well as an open palm chopping hand, which I think really brings out the character in the posing that you're able to do with her. All in all, triple A+, Trini, the Mighty Morphin Yellow Ranger, could not be more of a Blainer thing for me. You can find these figures in retailers now or on HasbroPulse.com. Thank you so much for watching my review. Like, subscribe, and for more content, head over to Instagram at BlainerThings.